Hello and welcome to RGS Login and Profile Management. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through how to sign into RGS, update your profile details and change your password. On the RGS homepage, click on this link or on this button to launch the login screen. In this box, you will need to enter your username, which is your primary email, and then your password before clicking Sign In. You have 5 attempts to enter incorrect details before your account is locked. Contact RGS support if this occurs. As part of two-factor authentication, RGS will validate your email and password before sending you a 6-digit security code. This will be sent to the email address you nominated upon registration and will expire after 20 minutes. If you do not receive the security code or don't have access to this email address, you can resend the security code to either your primary or your alternate email or your mobile. Please be aware that depending on your mobile service provider, this option does not always work. If this is the case, you will have to resend the code to an email. Once you've received the email with the code, copy it and paste it into RGS. Paste it into the security code field and click Verify. You are now logged in with your profile. The first time you log in, it is recommended that you update the incomplete fields in your profile. You do this by selecting Profile Management, Update Details. Here you can update the incomplete fields that haven't been pre-populated from your registration form, so they're viewable by other users in RGS. Your date of birth is only viewable by the RGS administrator. Fields like area of research speciality, specific conditions, and qualifications and expertise are used in the RGS forms. Select the appropriate one. You can select all or individual. If you've marked something in error, select the cross to delete it to start again. If you have an ORCID ID, populate it here. And if you're an investigator, you can choose to populate your details on the Public Investigator Speciality list to aid in participant recruitment and collaboration. If you are a student, update your details here and add any training here. If you're GCP certified, you can upload your certificate here. This is viewable by the Research Governance Officers, as well as your CV here. This helps ethics committees to view your CV so you don't have to resubmit them with every application. Once all fields are correct, click Save. Additionally, you can change your employment and contact details at any time and change how you receive the security codes. For security reasons, any changes to your primary or alternate email will require RGS administrator approval. If you wish to change your password, click on Change Password and enter your current and then new password before clicking Save. You will receive a confirmation screen that your password has been updated. Click on here to go to the login page. If you've forgotten your password, this is changed on the login to RGS screen. Click this link and then enter your primary email and your date of birth. Then select I'm not a robot and character match the code and click Send Request. You'll get a confirmation page that a new code has been sent to your primary email address. In the email, you'll find the new password. Copy it and paste it into RGS. Log in with this new password. You'll be sent another security code. Enter this and then verify, and then you'll be prompted to change your password. Proceed through the change password process and then log into RGS with your new password. Just be mindful that the current password is the one that was emailed to you. Click Save, and then you'll get an on-screen notification that your password change has been successful. Go into the login page and then log in with your new reset password. You are now logged in again. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have found it informative.